Hi, welcome to the Shuko Math Lab differential equation problem solving section. And the problem we're going to solve here today is for if they give you the Wronskian for the two solutions for the differential equation, if they give you the one of the solution and how to use the Wronskian method, try to find the another solutions here. Okay, so here is the example of the problem. So let's take a look. So suppose the Wronskian f and g is 3 to the e to the 4t, and one of the solution f is equal to the e to the 2t. Now I want to find another solution, gt, satisfy the initial condition g0 equal to 0. All right, so let's take a look. This one should be pretty easy problems here. But I think it's very interesting, the problems here. All right, so let's go ahead and get a start. So the first thing is here. So we know the Wronskians, F and the G, and so basically it's the determinant of this matrix, right? So this is FG, then F prime, G prime. Okay, so the determinant, we know you just do a kind of a cross product, right? All right, so now let's take a look. So this one's here going to be equal to f of g prime minus, all right, so this will be the f of the g prime minus g f prime. And the problem give us said Wronskian for this one is 3e to the 4t. Here. All right, and now we also know the problem give us f of t is equal to the e to the 2t. So basically, we just said the fg prime. So then the f prime here, f prime t will just be 2 to the e 2t. Okay, so then let's see here. So let's use the Wronskians here. So f times g prime. So it's e2t times g prime minus f prime. F prime is 2e to the 2t times g is equal to 3 the e the 4t. Okay, so now both terms on the left-hand side have e2t. So let's do the e2t. Take the e2t out. Then this is g prime minus 2g and equal to 3, the e4t. So I can divide by e2t. So I will have the g prime minus 2g is equal to 3e to the 2t here. Very good. All right. So now I'm going to highlight this one because later I'm going to substitute back. So if you take a look, now we want to solve for the g, then really this is just a simple first order differential equation. So what do we need to do here? We find the integration factors, right? Okay, so now in here we use the integration factor. Okay, so the way we find the integration factor, so we will say du over dt is going to be equal to, remember we use these numbers to find our integration factor, this one here, -2, right? So then we will have -2 times u. Okay, so then do the isolation. So this is du over u equal to -2 dt. Then I integrate both sides. I get a natural log u is equal to the -2t. All right, so what I have here, so I will have u is equal to the exponential -2t. So now remember, after that, what do we do? After that, we multiply this to this first order differential equation. That's why I highlighted it and to make sure we see that. So now this will be e to the negative 2t. Then this is g prime minus 2g equal to 3 the e2t times e the negative 2t. Okay, so what happens here? So this will be the e to the negative 2t g prime minus negative 2 e the negative 2t g equals, so these two cancel out, right? So either 2t and either negative 2t become 1 here. So this is 3. So remember that. And then this one's here because it's the integration factor. So this one's here, we can rewrite it as the dt by using the product rule, right? So it's either negative 2t times g. Okay, so when we were working on the first order differential equation, we did a lot of those problems here. So this is 3. Okay, so now I integrate both sides here. All right, so I integrate because this is a product rule, right? So if you use the product rule, you will get what we come here. So now you integrate both sides. So then this one will be e to the negative 2t g t's, right? Equal to the 3t plus my constants c's here. Okay, now my initial condition is g0 equal to 0. So I will plug in t equal to 0. So this will be the e to the 0 times g to the 0 plus, this is 0 plus c. Because remember, right? So we have, this is my t values, right? So I plug in that. All right, so now in here I will have what? I will have 0 equal to the 0 plus c. So I know my c equal to 0. So I got my final solution here. So I will have e to the negative 2t gt equal to the 3t's here. So now I multiply the e2t both sides. I will get a gt equal to the 3t e2t. And this is my other solution for the differential equations here. So that's it. So it's pretty easy, right? So if they give you the Wronskian of the two solutions, and then they give you one of the solution, find another one, it turns out to be pretty easy. So I hope this one can help you for your homework. All right, so that's it. Nice to talk to you again. So looking forward to work with you for the other problems. Have a good day. Okay, bye-bye.